Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make a video call with chat on Messenger, and this is the updated way to do it. Whether you want to catch up with friends, chat with family, or join someone face to face in real time, these quick steps will help you get started right away. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see all your recent conversations right on the main screen. If you're not logged in yet, just sign in using your Facebook account, and once you're in, you'll land on the chat list. Next, tap on the chat of the person you want to call. This could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat. When you open the chat, you'll see some icons at the top of your screen. One looks like a camera. That's the option for video calls. Go ahead and tap on the camera icon. Messenger will instantly start making a video call to your chosen contact. If it's your first time using this feature, your phone may ask for permission to use the camera, and microphone make sure to allow it so the call works smoothly. Once the call starts, you'll be connected face to face in real time. You can still use the chat section during the call, just minimize the video screen slightly, and the text chat remains open while you talk. It's perfect for sending links, emojis, or quick notes without interrupting the conversation. If you need to switch between the front and back cameras, tap the small camera flip icon during the call, and when you're done, tap the red end call button to hang up. That's it. You've just learned how to make a video call with chat on Messenger the updated way. It's simple, quick, and a great way to stay close to the people who matter most to you, no matter where they are. Thanks for watching.